Okay, so we're back. I don't know if you guys noticed earlier today we made this herb butter. It's really nice and firmed up in the refrigerator. That's what I'm looking for. Right now we're going to cook these Cowboy steaks, these ribeyes. And before I do that, I want to put a nice little rub on there because it's going to go very well and very great with these with this herb butter. And so let me get a little bit of time. I'm going to put a little bit of this is Tella cherry peppers. I'm going to put inside my mortar here. I'm going to put one garlic clove in there, but I'm going to slice it just a little bit just so it doesn't start flying and bouncing all over the place. This is going to make for a nice little rub on this. Then we're going to put the thyme in there. And some rosemary. Rosemary leaves. This mortar here is going to take care of all the work, all the business. We want to do all this chopping. It's going to fuse this all together really nice. I'm going to go ahead and smash this up. And this will break this up real nice with a leaf I missed. Look at this. This keeps all the chopping and this fuses all this here herbs and all brings all the oil out. So I'm going to put a little bit of this Himalayan sea salt in there. This is going to help loosen this stuff up. It's going to crush this up real nice too, and it'll make it for a nice flavor. Oh, you can hear the crunch in there. That's what I'm talking about. You can pick up these little mortars at any Asian store, Mexican market, whatever. I love the places like that. They got such great flavors and things that we don't use every day. So I do go to those quite a bit. I got this one at the Asian market, and I love it. It's $20, and believe me, it was very well worth it. So anyhow, I got these ribeye steaks here. I'm gonna put a little olive oil on these. That way, it'll make this here stick in it. But look at this here rub. That's a nice rub for these steaks. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Put that. A lot is gonna fall off, so don't think you're gonna eat all that. It's got a little bone in this. That's what makes this a Cowboy. So let me go ahead and do the other side. Fresh herbs on there. A little olive oil. And I'm going to just rub that right in there. And this is all there is in there. So look at that, enough for 2 steaks. It's perfect. I'll put all these recipes up on my website, so check them out. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I got my steaks all marinated up. They're kind of softened up a little bit, got a little bit more room temperature. That's what I'm looking for. I'm going to go ahead and get these on the grill, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one on the charbroil and I'm going to put one on a hot plate. That'll give you 2 different effects, but that'll get these here going real good. Let me get these started. See that noise? That's what I'm looking for. So we're going to let these puppies do their business. It's going to take about 8 to 12 minutes. Got a nice, inch and a quarter thickness on these steaks. It's going to be real nice. We're going to slice them up. And then we're going to top them off with some herb butter. They're going to be absolutely wonderful. Anyhow, watch the videos as they cook. Anyways, I'm back here. I'm getting ready to do the first turn on these because you don't want to overturn your steaks. You want to just kind of let them kind of do their business, let the grill do the work for you. Anyways, I'm the chef up at Mark's Prime Steakhouse in Ocala, Florida. We're taking a little summer vacation with a Corona, and so while we're doing this, I figured I'd throw something out there for you guys. But anyways, let me go ahead and turn these. Maybe when we get back, you guys can try this out. But let me go ahead and turn these. I'm gonna let these go sideways just so we can get a little different color on there. I'm telling you, you can smell this. It's unbelievable. I can pick up all that flavor from the garlic, the rosemary, the thyme, and that peppercorn. It does put a little bit of pepper in the air, and that's what I'm looking for. Pepper has a lot of oil in it, and that's why your salt and pepper shakers always turn dark because of oil in there. So if you mix your salt and pepper together, what happens is the salt will pull that oil out of the pepper and make it give it a lot more flavor. So anyways, these steaks been on about 4 or 5 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and start turning them over. Don't want to look at that color on there, that nice crust. That's what you can hear it. You got a nice crust on there. That's what I'm looking for. Now you can get this steak here from Mark's Prime when we get going again. And this is our Cowboy steak with the herb butter. You want to make sure you ask for that. It's absolutely wonderful. Oh, look at this. Woo. Well, look at this steak here. Woo. Let me tell you. Listen to this. Music to my ears. Okay, now these steaks, they've been on about 11, 12 minutes. They're going to be nice and rare, and that's what I'm looking for. So So I'm gonna pull them off. But one thing I want to do is let you know we want them nice and rare. I'm gonna go ahead and take this steak here. I'm gonna turn it over, set it right here on this plate upside down, and I'm gonna put this herb butter on it. I want this herb butter to melt right in there while we're doing this. Gonna give it a nice, really nice, good earthy flavor to it. There you go, that's that one. Let that just sit there and just smolder for a minute. And this one here, I'm gonna just take this whole pan right off and set it right up here. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put this herb butter on this. Look at that. So we'll let these steaks rest for about 3 to 4 to 5 minutes, and then at that point what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and slice them up. We'll be right back. So we're back here, and these steaks have been resting for about 4 to 5 minutes. They're nice and rare, and that's what I'm looking for. This herb butter is really fell right in there, right where I want it. Look at it, it's just beautiful how it's come up there. Anyways, I'm going to take these off. I'm going to slice these up. You come to Mark's and see me, we're going to hook you up, okay? You got to try this out. Look at that. Oh, baby. Oh my goodness, that's what I'm talking about. So that's, you gotta come see me, and we'll have a steak, a glass of wine, and we'll be friends. All right. Look at that. Is that beautiful or what? Oh, look at that. Nice rare steak. That's what I'm talking about. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put this seared one on there too. Now these get a nice, look at the juices off of this thing. That's just nothing but plain juice. Okay? Oh, look at it, just like butter. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna turn this plate around. So I'm gonna put these up there so they can just love all over each other, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, these juices. You don't want to lose this. Oh, look at that. And you know, I'm going to even take a little bit of this here, this resting juice on there. That's just pure juice. Anyways, bon appetit from Mark's Prime Steakhouse in Ocala in Gainesville. Come check us out.